Good morning. Me and Amber checked into this motel last night. It's actually rather nice. We've never stayed in a motel before, so it's something new for us. We paid $176, which is reasonably priced considering everything else in this area. And this morning we are going to head down to the bakery called Cockatoo, which I think is actually named after one of the birds out here.
I have a oat latte, cold brew, vegan almond croissant, and a cinnamon scroll. How good does that look? It does, doesn't it?
Cinnamon scroll.
So we're going to enjoy this, and then we're going to head to the Three Sisters Lookout, and then do a little hike there.
We're here at the Three Sisters Lookout. You can see them just behind our heads. 1, 2, 3. It's very busy here because you don't actually have to do any hiking to get the amazing views. You literally just pull up and you're here. Yeah. So if you don't fancy a hike, this is great for you. Just pop down and have a look. After this, we're going to head down and do the Three Sisters walk,
which goes all along like the edge, and then from there you can do Cockatoo Falls. There's option to do several hikes there. And there's Scenic World as well. If you're feeling for a little bit of adventure, you can take the train, which is super fast, a little bit of a roller coaster. And then there's also the cable cars as well.
We're just heading down to the Honeymoon bridge, is where you get to get really close to the Three Sisters, and it's a bit quieter down here, it's a bit steep.
We're now heading to Cockatoo Falls.
So far this has been quite a nice slow pace walk, like nice scenery, not too steep or too hard to get done. So if you're like intermediate level, this would be a good hike for you.
And it's a short one as well, and you can just obviously park your car right here, sightsee all of the hot spots basically. So there is the option to take the cable car from one side to the other.
Also, if you're feeling really brave, you can get out of the gondola and just like lean over the edge, which is something that me and Amber personally wouldn't do. Because we're,
I wouldn't mind doing that.
Yeah, same, I'd do that. Like, I definitely do. It's a shame it's closed, otherwise we'd go for doing it right now.
We're now going to do the Furber steps walk, which is 30 minutes down and 45 minutes up. So this guy here would use a train to transport coal, but now it's a tourist attraction. So back in 1890, they actually used to mine coal here. We're doing the last little bit of our hike now. We opted to not take the train. We just had a little look, just get our steps in. And now we're heading to Wentworth Falls.
This walk's good though, because there's so many different routes that you can take. So even if you come here like a couple of times, it won't get boring. Just take different little routes. Find your way around and have a little adventure.
Depending on how many hours you've got, like you've got short walks or longer walks, and it's all signposted, so it is really clear as well.
Yeah, there was a 5-hour hike down there at the bottom, if you fancy that.
I just flew on you.
kind of hurting my arm, man. I don't know what to do, mate.
Just enjoy it.
This is the second time now, isn't it? It happened to you.
Yeah?
Oh, damn. Oh, wait, chill out, mate. None of that. Look, here. I am the Cockatoo Whisperer. I have the power of the cockatoos. I'll bring it over, there you go.
Oh, that's so funny.
Amber is now the Cockatoo Whisperer.
Buddy?
So these are the cockatoo birds that we were talking about earlier. And they're well friendly, like when you feed it to it, they're very patient and they just wait. It's actually well cute, mate.
So we're now going to start our hike 2 of the day, which is the Wentworth Falls track. It takes around 45 minutes to an hour. We're going to see a lot of waterfalls along the way. We're also going to have a little picnic too.
Just come down to enjoy a very peaceful lunch on top of the waterfall. It's right here. Amber's gone for a
Salad, potato salad, starving, haven't eaten since this morning. It's like 5:30 now, and then calico wrap.
We are currently walking around a 100-metre cliff edge. It's a little bit scary, which we didn't know until it told us on the sign, so I'd rather you didn't tell us.
So if you're not a fan of heights, I really don't know if this one's for you. The railings are here, but it's like round the edge of the cliff. Like that. So this is very, very steep. Our railings are the side, so you'll be all right. It's all right going down, it's just the coming up, burning those quads. And we've burnt quite a lot of calories this weekend with the hiking we've done. We made it down to the bottom part of the waterfall. We didn't bring our cozies, but we might just actually just get in our undies. I just got in and persuaded some girls to get in as well. Ben's not getting in.
Am I getting? Am I getting? It's just cold, man. It's not like it's hot. It's cold out here.
It's so refreshing though. Just that like stream of water coming back behind you. It's lovely. You should get in. You're missing out. He did it!
Oh, I did it, mate. I wasn't even thinking about it. It's just cold, man, but we do ice baths, so that was alright.
How refreshing do you feel now?
I just feel a bit cold though. Like, I feel fresh. If you're here, get in, get out.
Always get in when you can see water, when it's safe.
When you don't want to do something, I think you've got to do it. So I didn't want to do it, so I had to do it, you know what I mean?
Ready for the hike up now?
Yeah. So when me and Amber do these treks, I do often wonder, like, how the hell did they build it, like, all the way back in the day? But this one, they actually built it over 100 years ago. 4 workers, just one team of 4 workers, and it took them 2 years to make it all the way down to the bottom, which is mad, isn't it? Like 100 years later, we're tracking it